Okay, Dean, I'm going to shoot another video of 619 Ray Street. I don't get a very good signal out here, so it's the reason for the video. I sent one yesterday. Anyways, this area right here, you've got a direct hole. This is on the north side of the roof here. We'll get all the plumbing jacks caulked in. This one's lifted up a little bit. Let's see if we can get it to go down. Caulk that in as well. Caulk that vent. Okay, so this is where your nail heads are coming out. Went all the way through the shingle there. Not too bad on the ridge. We're going to fix those anyways. A few shingles here and there. One on the center here. There's one coming through right here, so I'll get that repaired as well. Let's see. Have these marked with chalk. We'll get this vent caulked, and this one up here as well. Alright, so there's another spot where the nail is coming all the way through the shingle. Caulk in this vent here, and these as well. This one's lifted up somewhat, so it's like when it's raining, the water's getting into this area here. Okay, this nail that's coming through this shingle, it's right in the valley, so a lot of the water that drains down to the roof here, you very easily get into that spot there. There's a shingle that's broken, came off here. We had some high wind the other day. And this one as well, it's got 4 holes. You can see the holes here that are going directly into the roof system, so I'll repair that as well. Another nail coming up there. And here as well. Okay, when they put this on, this plumbing jack, they didn't put any caulking on these nail heads at all. So you got another nail head coming to the shingle here. And here as well. You can see it right there. Another spot. And this one's made a pretty good size hole here. Okay, so your service mast, the flashing has come up here. Get that down and caulked in. And no shingle here at all. So nail head there. Get the vent caulked in, and then there's another nail head here too. Whew, it's a little warm today, sorry about that. Okay, on this vent here, I noticed the other day when I was here, the nails are coming up somewhat, so we'll get them flattened out, caulking on it. Another nail head coming to the shingle here. A few more pieces of ridge there. Okay, that's it.